Welcome to Get the Math. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to convert the equation of a circle from general form into standard form. And we do that using a technique called completing the square. Here is the problem. Sometimes a circle equation is written in general form. It looks like x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. That form does not tell us much. We cannot see the center, and we cannot see the radius. But when we convert it to standard form, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, everything becomes visible. The center is h, k. The radius is r. That is why we complete the square. Before we jump into the problems, let us review the key skill. To complete the square, you take the coefficient of your x term, divide it by 2, and then square it. That number gets added to both sides of the equation. For example, x squared plus 6x. Take 6, divide by 2, you get 3. Square it, 3 squared is 9. So x squared plus 6x plus 9 factors perfectly into x plus 3 squared. That is the move we will use twice, once for x and once for y. Alright, problem 1. We are starting with x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 equals 0. Step 1, move the constant to the right side. Negative 3 moves over and becomes positive 3. Now group your x terms together and your y terms together. We have x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 6y equals 3. Step 2, complete the square for x. Take the coefficient negative 4, divide by 2, you get negative 2. Square it, negative 2 squared is 4. Add 4 to both sides. Now the x group becomes x squared minus 4x plus 4, which factors into x minus 2 squared. Step 3, complete the square for y. Take the coefficient 6, divide by 2, you get 3. 3 squared is 9. Add 9 to both sides. The y group becomes y squared plus 6y plus 9, which factors into y plus 3 squared. And the right side is now 3 plus 4 plus 9, which is 16. Step 4, write the final equation. X minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 16. That is standard form. The center is 2, negative 3, and the radius is 4. Notice that y plus 3 means k is negative 3, not positive 3. Problem 2. And this one has both signs to watch. We start with x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 2y plus 10 equals 0. Step 1, move 10 to the right. X squared plus 10x plus y squared minus 2y equals negative 10. Step 2, complete the square for x, 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 squared is 25. Add 25 to both sides. X squared plus 10x plus 25 factors into x plus 5 squared. Step 3, complete the square for y. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 squared is 1. Add 1 to both sides. Y squared minus 2y plus 1 factors into y minus 1 squared. Right side is now 15 plus 1. That is 16. Step 4, final equation. X plus 5 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 16. Center is negative 5, 1. Radius is 4. And here is the warning. X plus 5 squared looks positive, but that means h equals negative 5. The sign in the equation is always flipped from the center coordinate. Here is your 4-step recap. Step 1, move the constant to the right side. Step 2, complete the square for x by adding the quantity b over 2 squared to both sides. Step 3, do the same thing for y. Step 4, factor both trinomials and you have standard form. And always remember, if your factored term is x plus a, the center x coordinate is negative a, not positive. And that is completing the square for a circle equation. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. New math lessons every week. See you in the next one.